You talking to me? You talking to me? I'm the only one here. You talking to me? Say hello to my little friend.
Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to use muzzle flashes in Vegas Pro. This version, Vegas Pro 18. Now, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're like my best friends. So here I have a clip of me pretending I'm Robert De Niro and Al Pacino. Well, listen to it here.
You talking to me? You talking to me? I'm the only one here. You talking to me? Say hello to my little friend.
It's probably right there. Okay, so using the arrow keys, let's scrub through this frame by frame. Right there and right. That jerk, so 1, 2. Hit M for marker and just call this 1. Let's with the arrow keys. Let's scrub through to that second blast. Second shot, a second here. Right there. Get that time good. Okay, hit M and 2. So this will line up our visual effects and our sound effects. Let's right click, hit video track. Here's our MOE file. Now these MOE files will not be enabled automatically in Vegas Pro 17 or 18. You'll have to do it manually. There's a little card in the upper right hand corner that will pop out and show you how to enable it. You have to have QuickTime enabled though. QuickTime must be installed, and then in version 17 and 18 of Vegas Pro, you have to enable it manually to make it work. And all these special effects are from ProductionCrate. All you have to do is I'll put a link below and go to the site and you can download them and use them in your projects. So let's drag the first one, the first marker. On this compositing track, or sorry, on this track, we're in compositing mode, and select screen. Put the playhead over this. Now you can see it right there. Let's go to track motion. Show these around. Oops. Put it in front of the barrel. Okay, right there. Okay, so let's copy this, paste it, and we'll put it over top of it. Maybe readjust this a bit. Yeah, a little adjustment there. Just a little bit rotation. And vision a bit better. Okay, so there's the muzzle flashes. Now sound effects. Sound effects to the markers. Play it through, looks like this. So it's a pretty cool effect you can do in Vegas Pro. This will not work in Movie Studio. It has to be Vegas Pro, anywhere from 13 all the way up to 18. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.